Hello and welcome back to Pendragon's Twisted Metals. Tonight, today, because it is today, we're going to be taking apart some of these pallets that I got, and we are going to start making the drawers, hopefully, maybe. See, the last episode, I was like, hey, I don't like how I'm fiddling with all this wood stuff without any real knowledge of wood stuff. And that's all fine and dandy. But you guys, you guys seem to not like the etching that I was doing. So, we're gonna go back and start doing this stuff. I don't like doing this stuff on here because I don't know how to gauge where I should end. Because normally, with the projects, I would end at a certain point, like, okay, this is a stopping point. But I don't know where that is with woodworking. So I always feel unaccomplished when I am doing that type of thing. That being said, I guess let's get started. was a lot. So yeah. Unfortunately, I think that is it for time right now. That was about an hour and a half worth of work. This is why I don't, like I said, there's no like stopping point. It's just, I don't know. Maybe we'll figure it out. But we do have bits of wood that we can start making shelving with. Just need to measure out some pieces and do a bit of filing, well, sanding, and put them together with some wood glue and little nails. But unfortunately, that is all the time that we have for tonight. I hope that you all enjoyed this episode. If you did, hit that like button. And if you really liked it, hit the subscribe button and the bell so you can get notified whenever I put out a video. I try to do 2 videos a week. My live knitting with metal, and of course, the Pendragon's Twisted Metals. So, hopefully you all have a great week, and have a wonderful evening.